Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google Cloud project with Sheets API enabled and OAuth credentials. Now, in N8n, add a Google Sheets node and choose OAuth 2. Once done, paste the client ID and client secret into N8n's credentials form and authorize with the Google account you'll use. This grants N8n the required scopes. Make sure to select the correct project and sheet access so the node can read and write cells immediately. Next, configure the node. Select the spreadsheet by ID or name and then pick the Worksheet tab. Choose the operation, read, append, update, or clear, depending on your goal. For structured data, map incoming items to sheet columns using key/value mapping or JSON. Once connected, set range or use A1 notation for precise cell targeting. If you plan repeated updates, enable batching and control size. This avoids rate limits and ensures predictable performance during run. Finally, test by running the workflow with sample data and inspect both the node output and the sheet to confirm changes. Make sure to enable retries and paginate large reads to avoid rate limits. Once satisfied, activate the workflow and monitor executions. If things go wrong, like 401 or permission errors, re-authenticate the OAuth credentials and confirm the correct scopes are granted. This fixes most issues. If you see 429 errors, slow down requests or use smaller batches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.